Hello, in this video I'm going to speak about how to apply colours on your website. I'm Laura Nicole Brown from Inspirati, helping purposeful entrepreneurs build brands and websites with intention, personality and impact. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new videos. Colour is a crucial element of your website design. It can be the difference in making a design your audience loves or a design that is totally flat. In this video, I'll provide you with 4 rules to prevent you committing common mistakes that people make when applying colour on their website. Let's get started. Rule 1, pick the optimum number of colours. Too many colours look cluttered, but too few colours can look flat and boring because nothing stands out. Ensure there is plenty of variety in your colour palette, including a range of dark and light colours, so that you have plenty to play with when applying them on your website. If you are not confident about which colours to select that best represent your business, take my free quiz. You'll find out the character traits of your brand, what colours to use and what to avoid. All you need to do is go to inspirati.com/quiz. You can find the link to the quiz in the description below. Rule 2, apply the right colours in the right places. Use colours to highlight important sections that you want your audience to look at. For example, use a contrasting colour for call to actions to help them stand out. Use neutral colours for background and text so that the text is easy to read and the design isn't too overwhelming. Rule 3, ensure there is enough contrast. This is really important so that the text is visible and easy to read. If you have a white background, aim to use dark text. If you have a dark background, use a light coloured text. Rule 4, use colour consistently. The colours in your logo should be the dominant colours on your website. The colours on your website should also be consistent with the colours you use in your social media posts, business cards, presentation slides, and other marketing materials. This consistency with your brand colours on other channels helps visitors to feel like they are in the right place and helps to build trust. You also want to apply colours consistently across your website. That is, apply the same colours across the different pages of your website. If you are not sure which colours to use on your website, check out my video, a simple process to select your brand colours with intention.